Welcome back to Frontline News. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. It's now time for Frontline Business. Interventions in the foreign exchange market in November contributed to a decline in the net international reserves, NIR. Data from the Bank of Jamaica shows the NIR fell by $75 million during the month. At the end of November, the reserves were valued at $3.58 billion, which was enough to purchase 33 weeks of imports. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke says he is predicting significant benefits from the decision to allow local pension funds to invest in venture capital and private equities. The details in this report.
Minister of Finance and the Public Service Dr. Nigel Clarke says, among other things, businesses will now have increased access to financing.
Which is very important for the growth and for the development of Jamaica and of our country. The pension investment regulations will also promote greater transparency as regards the issuing of bonds by private firms, by ensuring that pension funds can invest in debt securities issued by private firms as long as those securities are rated. And that will allow for the market for debt to become more competitive, and one can go to a bank for bank financing or raise financing via the debt market.
The Finance Minister highlighted another positive from the pension reform.
And doing so, that competition will help to keep interest rates in a competitive realm. So this is a change that happened a few months ago that is working its way through.
He was speaking on Saturday at a charity ball hosted by Mayor of Montego Bay, Homer Davis. Gabrielle Thompson, Frontline Business.
Following its initial public offering, in which it raised $495 million, Mailpack Group is now listed on the junior market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The listing ceremony took place on Friday. The number of companies on the exchange has now increased to 86. Mailpack's IPO also increased to $11.7 billion, the total capital raised by companies listed on the junior market since its inception. In Monday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index declined by 1,492 points to close at just over 500,000 units. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 111 stocks, of which 24 advanced, 32 declined, and 55 traded firm. The junior market index declined by 66 points to close at over 3,000 points. Stocks advanced for Access Financial, Blue Power Group, Caribbean Cement, Express Catering, and Fontana Limited. Stocks declined for Barita Investments, Berger Paints Jamaica, CSE 2000, Carreras Limited, and Derrimon Trading. Trading firm were 1834 Investments, MG Packaging and Paper, Caribbean Cream, Consolidated Bakeries, and Epley Limited. Mailpack Group Limited was the volume leader with 12.8 million units, followed by Jamaica Stock Exchange with close to 3 million units, and Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 2.7 million units. And news in oil. Oil prices fell on Monday after data showed Chinese exports declined for a fourth straight month, sending jitters through a market already concerned about damage to global demand by the trade war between Washington and Beijing. Brent crude futures fell 60 cents to $63.79 a barrel. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude futures also fell 60 cents to $58.60 a barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. Pleasant viewing.